Hey guys, welcome back to Patmax Adventures, and in today's How to Do Korea, I'm going to show you guys how to take a ferry to Jeju Island. So instead of flying, I'm going to show you how to get to Jeju Island the fastest by ferry. So here we go. So step number one is you want to go to the express bus terminal in Seoul. So I'm currently at the express bus terminal here in Seoul, and you're going to want to buy a one-way ticket to Wando. These are the desks where you can buy your bus tickets. Above are the times to the different cities. Go to any one of these desks and tell them that you're wanting to go to Wando, and you should have no problem getting your ticket. Okay, here is my bus ticket. You can see up in the upper left, I paid 37,200 won. My seat number is 12, and on the far right, you can see it says platform 2. In the bus terminal, there are different platforms, and this is where you get on your bus. One great site to check for ferry times is Hanil Express. They have a lot of times from Yasu to Jeju, Jeju to Wando, Wando to Jeju, Mokpo, and they also include times throughout the days, so you can check the days of the week. Another great website is Visit Korea. This includes many other cities along with other ferry times and ferry destinations. Good morning guys, I am in Wando. I arrived last night around 11 p.m. Wando is a really cool little city, not even a city, a town. I love it. As you can see, there's fishing boats, the water's really clear here, there are a lot of islands. It's a great town to visit in the summertime, it's beautiful, and it's a great place to visit if you're in transit to go somewhere. Wando is not very big, so there's not a lot to do here. Wando is located at the bottom of the Korean peninsula, right at the tip of it. It's the closest to Jeju Island. That is why I suggest going this way to Jeju Island if you want to get there fast by ferry from Seoul or any other part of Korea. The terminal here is pretty easy to find. You just walk to the end of Wando and you'll hit all the piers, and you can't miss it. It's pretty easy to find. There is a screen inside that has ferry times throughout the day. There are several that go to Jeju and other islands. Just make sure that you get on one that goes to Jeju. My ticket on the ferry from Wando to Jeju Island costed 28,000 won, roughly $25, but this can vary depending on the season. In Korea, ferries usually give you a designated seat. However, it's not usually that busy, so you could pretty much sit anywhere you would like. Just make sure you're not sitting in someone else's seat. There's also a cafe on board with coffee and tea and some snacks you can buy during your journey. My seat is on the lower right here. You can see the big window there of the ocean. It's a really pretty view, so you can sit there and watch the ocean on your journey. So we're on our way to Jeju now. This is the fastest route, Wando to Jeju. It's gonna take about an hour and 45 minutes. You can go from Mokpo, Yasu, Busan. These other places are gonna take 4 hours. Busan and Incheon will take overnight. So your fastest route to Jeju is Wando. And it's a beautiful route too. Today is blue sky. You get to see the bottom of the peninsula. It's definitely worth the trip down from Seoul or any other part of Korea if you want to take a ferry to Jeju instead of flying. We have arrived on Jeju Island. I'm back. Thanks again for watching guys, and remember these How to Do Korea videos will come out the first and last Friday of every month. And remember guys, you only live once, so live to the max. Bye.